Okay. So, Gail, how it's going to be a very safe for women in an app like this?
We normally say that we need to do something. Someone needs to take a stand. The police needs to do something. So yes, Femina has taken one certain initiative by launching this To Your Rescue app, and I think the next thing when I on my way home, I'll definitely download the app because you never know when you're going to be at the wrong place at the wrong time or how you'll be attacked in whatever way. So I think this app will definitely help you in some way.
Yeah. Gail, did you ever face the molestations or like this in India or
Well, no, thankfully not. But I do have close friends who have, and it's a very sad thing when you hear when someone who is really close to who's been going through something like this. And yes, I think it's high time that everyone takes an initiative to do something and to be a change.
no? Tell us about your professional life or what's going on.
It's been around 1 year now since I won Miss India, and yes, I have been working on my acting. So hopefully, yes, I should be signing a movie by the end of this
We
year.
feel it's very challenging job in. We feel that it is a very challenging job to be in a Bollywood.
I think it's challenging in every profession, not just Bollywood, but yes, I think the most important thing is that you need to be good and best at whatever you do. If someone is good and he knows that he's good at singing, that's what he's supposed to do, and not do some profession that he's not comfortable with. And Bollywood is something that is very close to me, and I've always looked up to stars and always wanted to be up there. So yes, I'm happy that I'm following my dreams, and my parents and everyone close to me is supporting me for it.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.